Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we created our first pivot table. Let's start to work what happened after we create this one. So in sheet 2 we can see that pivot table 1 is created, and in sheet 1 we have our raw data which we see in previous video. So order date, warehouse, product, category, supplier, order date, quantity ordered, unit price, delivery days, and total cost. And with pivot tables I was thinking maybe a good idea is to work maybe more with practice. We respond for 4 questions in M column. So which supplier has the biggest deliver in days average, which category product has the biggest total cost, which product has the biggest unit cost, and which supplier provide the biggest quantity in average. So those questions can be easy respond with the pivot tables. So let's start with work with sheet 2. So the first question, which supplier has the biggest delivery days in average. So we can see the column delivery days, and we can see supplier in column E. So how we can create this one? In pivot table fields, we should choose column in filters, columns, values, and the rows. So in rows, I would like to see the supplier. You can put easily here and write supplier. Then you can click here or put it into the rows. Let's make it like this. So you can see we have supplier A, B, and C, and then we would like to see the delivery in delay in days. So column J, and then delivery as well, put to the values, and here how to choose now, because now we can see that there is a sum of delivered days and we'd like to see the average. So where to change this one? You can click here, then value field settings, and we can choose all the options for summarize. So sum, count, average, max, min, product, count number, standard deviation, and other standard deviations, and the variance. Let's click average and then OK. So we can easily see the response. And then let's create the second one and respond for the second question. The question is which category product. So category is in column D. Let's delete the supplier and put category. You can see it here. And we would like to see the biggest total cost. So total cost and sum of that. So let's delete average of delivery. Let's check total cost, put two values, and we'll see the sum. So we can see component, finished goods, and materials, and then total sum of cost for each of them. The next question was which product has the biggest unit cost. So product is in column C, and the unit cost is in product J. So let's copy and paste as well pivot table, delete rows and values. In rows we'd like to see product, so we can see it here, and in unit cost we would like to see in H unit cost. Okay, so we can see some of them, but let's make it more real, so put average, and we can see the average of unit cost for each of the product. The last question, it was about the supplier provide the biggest quantity in average. So let's delete product, as well put supplier, and if we are thinking about column named quantity ordered. So let's delete the average of unit cost and quantity ordered. Okay, so and then we have sum of quantity ordered. So we can easily respond for 4 common questions with pivot tables. Thank you for watching.